Let's make some beautiful big yellow sunflowers. Some people prefer the red ones. I don't. Good. I thought we were going to do the red ones for a second. So just to show you how easy it is, I'm going to fill the far left seed tray with the cheapest potting mix I could find, the middle one with more expensive seed raising mix, and the far right one with just garden soil that I dug up from underneath my grass. Put one seed in each cell. Cell is just a fancy name for whole thing. And make sure you put the pointy end of the seed down because that's where the roots come out of. Sprinkle a bit more on top of the seeds very lightly, but don't tuck them in as tight as your grandma used to tuck you in at night. Give them an overly aggressive watering, and then wait an unspecified amount of time that I definitely should have recorded, but I didn't. Maybe like a week or a week and a half or something like that. And you'll find this 6 out of 6 from the cheap potting soil, which is pretty good. But only 3 out of 6 on the more expensive seed raising mix. And look at this, my regular old underneath the grass garden soil. They're probably my best ones. Anyway, when you're taking these little seedlings out of the tray, you want to pull them up by their leaves. That's their strongest tension point. If you hold them by the stem, they might break. Now look at all that root development. It's holding all that potting mix together, which is a good sign. Pot it up in regular potting soil, or apparently my premium undergrass garden soil that I'm now selling for $1,000 a bag. And then just give it a light watering. After a week or so you'll have this, and then after a while you'll have this, and then this, and finally you'll have this. Sorry, I mean this. And then it attacked me. Sunflowers always attract a lot of butterflies for me, but a ton of bees too. Now I haven't been holding a grudge ever since that sunflower attacked me, but yeah, you get him, Tote.